Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Herb with H&F Landscape coming back at you again today. So look, I just got my metal to metal helmet clip, helmet quick release buckle. Ordered off Amazon. Gonna be putting it on this helmet right here, and I wanted to go through. Just get it out the pack here. So it's got a buckle. Let me get this out the way. It's got a buckle. This is the quick release. It comes out. My first thoughts is metal. And I watched a guy put it together on YouTube. It's got a snap. Seems to be made pretty good. Yeah, seems pretty good. Lift right there, comes out. Anyway, we're gonna be putting this thing on. But you know, first I need to, my strap is too long, man. So I think I'm going to cut it. Let's see, put this thing on. Right there, it's too much strap. So I might cut it about right there. Let's do that right now. Scissors here. Do I cut it straight across or do I round it? Okay, so I cut it. Strap cut. I have my lighter, because we're gonna burn this joker so it don't unravel on us. Mash it together. Burn a little more. Mash it together. Burn a little more. Ooh, got a fire going. And mash it together. So I think that's pretty good right there. That's pretty good. Y'all can see that. Yeah. Okay, so yeah. So what we want to do now is, they talked about putting this on, and they said that you should run it through and run this back through this way, and that's supposed to make the seal on it. Just snap that down. There it is. So the buckle part is on. Now we're supposed to take this side and run it up in there like that. Actually, the other way. Probably want to do it like this. And slide that up the helmet like that. And they say you need to take this rubber down to right there where you can see clearly through it. And then run this up through there like that. And then run this part back up through your buckle. And up this other side like this. And there we got it. Then they say you should pull that back up. Like that. I wonder should I already ran it through that rubber. I got guess not. So, let's see how it fits. Okay. So I need to adjust it a little more. So I'm gonna pull this back down. Oh, pulled it off. Okay. That up some. I want to put this back on. Pull that back up. Oh, perfect. Get a little finger in there. Voila. That's how you put the quick release. And it just comes off. I must say it looks good. I wonder could I run this back? Do I have enough room to run this back through again one more time? I probably could cut this a little bit more. Probably could cut this just a tad more. I don't have so much. Took a 10 with. After all, it is my helmet. Yeah, I think that's fine right there, like that. And there you have it. The quick release. And it's done. Thank y'all. Be on the lookout. Like, subscribe. Be on the lookout for some more videos. And remember, that is the metal to metal helmet clip. Thank y'all.